Hello everyone, myself Chandana. Today we are going to learn about sorting. Now we are going to discuss about insertion sort.
Insertion sort. Insertion sort can be defined as the number of elements must be arranged in its appropriate position or in its correct position. So here I am taken this 7, 3, 5, 1, 4, 2, 6 in an array, and 0 is the index. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are temporary elements, and n is the number of elements. That means number of elements are here is 7. So here in first case we are taking the elements, and in insertion sort we will take the second element and comparing it with its previous element, or we are taking temporary elements and we are comparing it with index. So when I am comparing the 3 with 7, the 7 is greater than 3. So 7 comes to second position and 3 goes to its first position, and the remaining elements will be as it is. So 3, 7, 5, 1, 4, 2, 6 is the solution of first iteration. So we will take this as input of second iteration and we will do the same process. So here second iteration 3, 7, 5, 1, 4, 2, 6. So here I am comparing the third element with its previous two elements, that is 5 is comparing with 7. When 7 is greater than 5, the places will change. So 7 comes here and 5 comes here, but here instead of 5 I am writing question mark. Why? Because the 5, the element which is 5, this place is not yet fixed, because we have to compare it with another number also. That's why the place of 5 is not fixed. So when we are comparing 5 with 3, so 5 is greater than 3, so here no change. So 3, 5, 7 and remaining elements will be as it is. 1, 4, 2, 6. So here see 3, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 6 is the answer of second iteration. So while taking this we will do the third iteration. So here comes the third iteration, that is 3, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 6. So here also I am comparing the fourth element with its previous three elements. That is I am comparing 1 with 7, 5, 3. So when I am comparing 1 with 7, the 7 greater than 1. So 7 changes its place, 7 comes here and 1 goes here. But here I have kept question mark because the 1 place has not yet fixed. So when 1 is compared with 5, 5 is greater than 1. So the places changes, and when 1 is compared with 3, 3 is greater than 1. So the places changes. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 4, 2, 6 is the answer of the third iteration. So while using this answer of third iteration, we will do the fourth iteration in same process. Here is the fourth iteration, the 1, 3, 5, 7, 4, 6, 2. So here I am comparing the fifth element with its previous 4 elements, that is 7, 5, 3 and 1. So when 4 is compared with 7, the 7 is greater than 4. So 7 comes here, the 4 goes here. But here I have kept question mark instead of 4 because the fourth place is not yet fixed. Why? Because we have to compare it with 5, 3 and 1 also. So when 4 is compared with 5, 5 is greater than 4. Here the places change. When 4 is compared with 3, 3 is less than 4. The places is not changed, and the 4 comes here. When 4 is compared with 1, the 1 is less than 4. So 1 is in same place. So in place of 5, the 4 comes, and in place of 7, the 5 comes. in place of 4 the 7 comes and remaining other 2 elements will be as it is. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 2 is the answer of 4th iteration. While using this answer of 4th iteration, we will do the 5th iteration. Here comes the 5th iteration. So here we are taking the 6th element and comparing it with its previous 5 elements, that is 7, 5, 4, 3 and 1. When 6 is compared with 7, 7 is greater than 6, so the places changes. 7 comes here and 6 goes here. But here I have kept question mark because the 6th place is not fixed. So when 6 is compared with 5, 5 is less than 6, so no change, so 6 comes here. So when 6 is compared with 4, here also no change. Why? Because 4 is less than 6. And when 6 compared with 3, here also no change. Why? Because 3 is less than 6. So that's why this, and when compared with 1 also it will be 6 is greater than 1, so no change. So here 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2. This is the answer of 5th iteration. While using this, we will solve 6th iteration. Here comes the 6th iteration, that 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2. So we are comparing the 2, that means 7th element with its previous 6 elements. That means we are comparing the 6th element with its previous 5 elements as well as the index. So the previous elements are 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and index is 1. So when 2 is compared with 7, 7 is greater than 2. So places change, 7 comes here. But 2 does not comes here. Why? Because we are not fixing the 2 here, because we have to compare 2 with other remaining elements also. So 2 is compared with 6. 6 is greater than 2. So here also places changes. 6 comes here and 2 here. When 2 is compared with 5, 5 is greater than 2. So here also places changes. The 5 comes here and 2 here. When 2 is compared with 4, the 4 is greater than 2. So 4 comes here and 2 here. When 2 is compared with 3, so 2 is less than 3. So 3 comes here and 2 here. When 2 is compared with 1, the 1 is less than 2. So 1 here and 2 is in 3rd position. I mean in place of 3, the 2, and in place of 4, the 3, and in place of 5, the 4, and in place of 6, the 5, and in place of 7, the 6, and in place of 2, the 7. Here you can see the given elements are arranged according to their appropriate position. So this is called insertion sort.